Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides a marketplace for users to trade a wide range of digital currencies. It was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao and has become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in terms of trading volume. As an exchange, Binance offers various services and features, including 1. Cryptocurrency trading. Binance allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies using different trading pairs, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Coin, BNB, and many others. 2. Spot trading. Users can engage in spot trading, where they can directly buy or sell cryptocurrencies at the prevailing market prices. 3. Futures trading. Binance also offers futures trading, allowing users to trade cryptocurrency contracts with leverage. This enables traders to potentially amplify their profits but also increases the risk. 4. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform within Binance that facilitates token sales or initial coin offerings, ICOs, for selected blockchain projects. 5. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance has its native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, BNB. BNB can be used to pay for trading fees on the platform, participate in token sales, and other utility purposes within the Binance ecosystem. 6. Binance Academy. Binance provides educational resources through its Binance Academy, offering users a wide range of articles, tutorials, and videos to learn about blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and trading. It's important to note that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, and it's essential to understand the market dynamics, perform proper research, and exercise caution when engaging in trading activities. Binance has implemented security measures, but it's recommended to take additional precautions, such as enabling two-factor authentication and practicing good security practices to protect your digital assets. Please note that cryptocurrency regulations and availability of services may vary depending on your country of residence. It's advisable to review and comply with the terms and conditions, policies, and regulations set by Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange you choose to use. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.